My customer Ravi is about to give his wife a special personalized Mangalsutra. He currently lives in Hyderabad, which is a 2-hour journey from his village. You see, after Priyanka and he got married, he had to shift to Hyderabad because of some personal family reasons, while she stayed in the village. But every single weekend, without fail, he makes a trip back to his village to spend time with his wife and his adorable son. He told me that Monday mornings are the hardest goodbyes for them, and his wife feels really lonely when he's not around. That's why he has thought of gifting her a custom Mangalsutra with their names on it, as it'll be a constant reminder that she's never alone. In his words, she'll know that even when we're apart, I'm right in her heart. All she'll need to do is touch the Mangalsutra and she'll feel the love and closeness between us, just like I'm there with her. It'll be like a magic charm that connects us no matter where we are. Ravi, thank you so much for taking us along in the beautiful journey and telling your story that I'm sure will help spread warm fuzzies to all the lovebirds out there. I know your wife's reaction to opening the parcel is going to be priceless. This is a very sweet gesture and an adorable love story.